is my favorite month. It is the time for exploring, saying goodbye to that beautiful greenery and hello to wonderful oranges and browns. It is time to enjoy the crisp weather, but also the sunshine in its last glory days before we settle into the winter. I want to thank you all for your love and support last video. It was very difficult to share something so vulnerable and to be met with such warmth and tenderness has been completely overwhelming. John is on a treatment plan that is hopefully seeing some of the tumors shrinking. But as the tumors shrink, they leave voids in the place, and that's led to other health problems. He has, on top of having a heart surgery, he has now had lung surgery as well. And this next month, they're going to be focusing on his spine. To say that I have been angry would be an understatement. Thankfully, we are living in the season of pruning. So I have been taking all of my anger out on the apple tree. The physical action of lopping off branches has been fantastic. It feels so good. But because I have a baby, that's right, because I have a baby, I have to do this in fits and starts. So this whole month, this poor apple tree has had a number of bad haircuts. But hey, isn't that like life? We grow a little, we have a couple setbacks, we have a couple bad haircuts, and then it all grows back again the following season, and we begin again. To deal with the anger and the grief, I have turned to the thing that I most rely on, and that is books. How do you talk with toddlers about something that is and will affect their lives so profoundly? This is a really difficult thing to do, especially if you don't have an understanding yourself. So I have taken to books. Wintering has been a fantastic choice. It is about the times when we enter a season of our lives that we don't really know how to navigate. And so we try and find coping mechanisms to steer the course until we can finally get out of the winter and back into spring. For me, this has included pruning, tearing down the garden, doing some of my favorite hobbies when I can in between the baby napping and the kids being home from school. I've been canning. We had a number of peppers that needed to be made into a relish. But these have been for myself. For the toddlers, we have decided to do a number of October walks, exploring the property, finding nooks and crannies that we haven't explored just yet, naming them fun names like the Vale of the Fairies. The dogs like it too, so that's a bonus. We've been filling our cups with as much wonder, joy, and love as we can as we go through these tough days. It seems contradictory that when you have such devastating news, such as cancer, that sort of plows through your entire life in an unexpected way, that you would actually feel some sort of gratefulness. And the gratefulness comes from a place of enjoying the present, being thrust into the very act of enjoying every single moment as it happens. Suddenly, those small little irritations don't really matter in the end. You're just grateful that you have one more day, many more kisses, many more hugs, and a chance to have a really good time together.